For centuries, humanity has scanned the stars, searching for answers, for connection. We've imagined the vastness, the solitude. But sometimes, the universe sends us a message not in words, but in defiance of every known law. In recent times, the discovery of interstellar objects like Oumuamua hinted at a universe far more dynamic than we knew. Then came 3I Atlas. Its arrival wasn't unusual. Countless objects traversed the cosmos. What was unusual was its trajectory. It arrived on a hyperbolic escape path, a cosmic tourist, destined to slingshot around our sun and depart forever. Or so we thought. Almost immediately, scientists at observatories worldwide detected an anomaly. 3I Atlas wasn't just passing through, it was slowing down. Not by a little, not by gravitational interaction alone, but by a rate that defied all natural explanation. This was a sustained, large-scale braking event. It was, quite simply, impossible for a comet or asteroid to shed over 2.8 kilometers per second of velocity. That's a staggering amount of energy. To put it into perspective, it would require power far beyond anything humanity has ever conceived for propulsion. Yet 3I Atlas was doing it, without visible exhaust plumes, without any thermal signature indicating a massive burn, without any discernible mass ejection. This wasn't just a powerful engine, it was a silent one. No roar, no fiery expulsion of gas, no telltale heat. It was as if some form of field propulsion or a technology so profoundly advanced it rewrites the very laws of physics was at play. This was not a passive chunk of rock and ice. This was a deliberate, controlled maneuver. This was a craft. The sustained braking wasn't random. It was precise. Scientists soon realized that 3I Atlas was meticulously shaping an orbit. It wasn't just staying. It was choosing to remain. Its new path would see it repeatedly cross the same region of space our own planet occupies. It was becoming a captured object, a permanent, albeit silent, resident. What compelled this change of mission? The deceleration began almost immediately after its closest approach to Earth. Could what it observed during its flyby, our radio chatter, our technological footprint, the vibrant, chaotic life on our blue planet, have convinced the intelligence behind it to alter its original purpose? To stay and observe? This wasn't a cosmic coincidence. This was intelligence at work. 3I Atlas was no longer a natural phenomenon. It was behaving like a meticulously controlled craft. And as its impossible maneuver concluded, achieving a stable orbit, one terrifying truth became clear. We were no longer just observers of the cosmos. Humanity, for the first time, was not looking out. We were being looked at. 3I Atlas was here, and it wasn't leaving. The universe had just gotten infinitely more interesting and profoundly more unsettling.